Good morning. It is the 5th day of Vlogmas, and today we're just going to do a little kitchen reset and then get everything decorated in here for Christmas. I have got some cute little ideas that we're going to do, so come along with me. I don't know what it is about when I start to mop, but the kids like to literally run in circles around me. But now that we've got the kitchen all cleaned up, we'll go ahead and get started decorating. I grabbed this rug from Target a few weeks ago. I absolutely loved it, and the green goes so good in the kitchen. I believe it was like around $10. I ordered a bunch of this greenery a couple years ago, and I had this Noel sign that I got years ago. I'm just going to put it on this space on the counter. In this corner of the kitchen, I am taking a couple of paper trees I got from Hobby Lobby last year. This little tray, I got this deer from Marshall's a couple weeks ago. It was like $12.99. I just like the way it looks. It's so cute. And then I'm just going to add a couple of trees in here and light this lovely candle. And then above my sink, so this is a really good idea. If you have a window above your sink and the two cabinetries throughout there, you can add this tension rod in between those two cabinets and then add in some greenery. I'm going to add 2 pieces of greenery in here, and then I'll come back with a few of the little lights, and it just makes it kind of feel so cozy. I love it. The next thing that we're going to do is grab a skinny tension rod. I got one from Walmart, and then I grabbed a pack of dish towels and a pack of these curtain rod clips, and we're going to add this into the window seal here. This is a wonderful idea. Just a tension rod, a pack of dish towels that you like. These, like I said, I got from Hobby Lobby, are a cute pattern. Add those little hooks on there and you have little curtains. Isn't it so cute? We're taking a sub in a tub. We're taking a lunch break. I made myself a sub in a tub. It's just lettuce, salami, ham, provolone, tomatoes, onion, and some pepperoncinis. I sprinkled a little bit of oregano in there. Yes. You don't like the carrots? Why? Okay. And then put some of the avocado mayo. You want carrot? Give them your carrots. We don't need to waste them. And then some Italian dressing. So good. For the kitchen table, we're just going to add 2 pieces of this garland onto the table, and then I grabbed this vase from Marshall's a couple weeks ago and then added these lights in with the little trees, and it's just something super simple. And for the final touch, I added this vase into the center of the island.